Hello students, good evening. Now I'll give the introduction of trigonometry. So, trigonometry is nothing but a branch of mathematics which discuss the relationship between sides and angles. The relationship between sides and angles of a triangle is called trigonometry. So, trigonometry is the word derived from Greek words. Greek words tri. Tri means three. Gonia. Gonia means angles. Metron means measures. Therefore, the measure of three angles of a triangle is trigonometry. The relationship between sides and angles of a triangle first given by Greek mathematician Hipparchus. So these all bits will come in examination point of view. You have to learn this all. Trigonometry is used in engineering, surveying and navigations, etc. So trigonometric ratios. The next topic is trigonometric ratios. So in case of trigonometry, generally we use right angled triangle. Let us take a triangle ABC. Right angle is at a point B. We know opposite of right angle is called hypotenuse, which is the longest side of a right angled triangle. Let us take angle theta at a point of C. Angle C is equal to angle theta. So this angle opposite side is AB segment, which is called opposite side, and for theta BC segment is adjacent side. Let us take the ratios of trigonometric ratios. The ratio of AB divided by AC, which is nothing but opposite to angle theta divided by hypotenuse, which is called as sin theta, or simply we can say it as sin theta. And the ratio of BC by AC, which is nothing but adjacent side to angle theta divided by hypotenuse, is equal to cosine theta, or simply we can say it as cos theta. And the next one is the ratio of AB by BC, which is equal to opposite to angle theta divided by adjacent to angle theta, which is nothing but tangent theta. So, or simply we can say tan theta. And the ratio of the reciprocals, the ratio of AC by AB, or we can say this as hypotenuse divided by opposite to angle theta, which is said to be cosecant theta, or simply we can say cosecant theta. And the ratio of opposite to this AC, the ratio of AC divided by BC, which is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent to angle theta, which is nothing but secant theta, or simply we can say sec theta. And the ratio of BC by AB, which is nothing but adjacent to angle theta by opposite to angle theta, which is nothing but cotangent theta, which is nothing but cot theta. Also observe here, sin theta and cosecant theta are multiplicative inverse to each other, AB by AC, AC by AB. Cosine theta and secant theta are multiplicative inverse to each other. Similarly, tan theta and cot theta are multiplicative inverse to each other. That is, sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, or cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. The product of sin theta and cosecant theta is 1. Cos theta is 1 by sec theta, or sec theta is 1 by cos theta. The product of cos and secant theta is equal to 1. Similarly, tan theta is 1 by cot theta, or we can say cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. That is, tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. These are multiplicative inverse to each other. Students, I'll stop this class here. If you like, please like and share my class. Thank you.